The 2002 Windstar. Ford Windstar. It's almost too good for the kids. Windstar is more appropriate for taking 4 to 6 adults on a long journey or downtown to the opera and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, driver and passenger airbag, FWD, rear window defroster, front stabilizer bar, front disc rear drum brakes, power mirrors, power outlet, console, halogen headlamps, rear wiper, vanity mirrors, tinted glass, black door handles. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.